critical aspect of your planning will be protecting your virtual machines within Azure. I'm going to go ahead and show you how we do this. It's a very simple process. As you can see, I've already logged into Azure. I'm going to take a look at our virtual machines. We only have 2 currently running. I'm going to go ahead and protect production 2. And within our first blade, we're actually going to click on Backup. Because I already have a recovery vault already created, we're going to go ahead and use the existing recovery vault, but I could go ahead and create a new one if I wanted to do so. So we have Backup Vault. This Backup Vault is in the same resource group as that virtual machine. And next, I'm going to go ahead and configure a backup policy. Right now it's set for the default policy, so it'll back up daily at 4 p.m. and it will retain backups for 30 days. I can go ahead and create a new policy. To do so, click the down arrow and click New. Provide a name. How often do you want this to back up? Is it daily or weekly? I'm going to go ahead and do daily. It's going to be retained for 180 days. I can also go ahead and configure a weekly, a monthly, and a yearly backup if I wish. Again, you can modify these settings to meet your needs. Then click OK. We now have the new backup policy, and then simply click Enable Backup. The deployment will be submitted and then started. It will take a few moments for this to be provisioned. If you're ever wondering or sitting there going, what happened to my deployment? You can go ahead and click on the bell at the top and it will give you a list of the current deployments. Perfect. And as you saw there, we can see that my deployment has just succeeded. And if I click back and backup, we can now see that that VM is now going to back up to our recovery services vault. We could go ahead and run backup now. We could go ahead, change the settings. And if we had a VM already backed up, we could go ahead and restore it as well. Backing up your VMs should be part of your overall strategy to protect your data and your virtual machines within Azure. And as you can see, it's an incredibly simple process.